When you eat a kiwi, you're also eating a little eye. Now, that seems gross, but it's not gross because inside that eye is the happiest snowman. Because even though he was made with a bunch of junk, he knows that he was made out of love. Love that he feels all the way down to his Scrabble piece button. And by the way, that's not snow. It's actually clouds. And of course, Barley and Chester flying around, checking out the sights. Chester's pretty excited because he finally got to wear his new corny hat. And I don't know. Corn sometimes looks like really yellow teeth to me, right? Whatever. Let's check out what's on TV. Oh, well, it's like the hills are alive with whatever this is. I mean, Birdie the Flying Potato is loving it, so that's cool. And oh yeah, pretty sure we were talking about kiwis, weren't we? By the way, I hid Dave the Spider in this drawing. Did you find him? Let me know in the comments. Okay, love you. Bye!